Hello, my name is Alexander. I'm CEO and the co-founder of CloEE, a Helsinki-based startup. CloEE designed to address the CNC machine tools management by bringing the most affordable and easy-to-use software to disrupt Industry 4.0 market. Why we created CloEE? You know that United States and China, the biggest polluter globally, most likely you know this. But what about European Union? Europe is 7 times less polluted than the United States and China, but still countries like France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and Poland, the biggest manufacturers, are the most polluted in the European Union. That's why here we are, designed a product that allows industrial enterprises to decrease their energy consumption and to decrease their CO2 emission by improving their KPI, overall equipment effectiveness. The CloEE product allows us to address European Union emission trading system and ESG criteria, basically by reducing the CO2 emission and energy consumption. We're helping to improve overall equipment effectiveness of the industrial enterprises. And this is aligned with the United Nations Goal 7 related to the saving of the energy. This is aligned with the United Nations Goal 8, basically the impact of the Industry 4.0 and the industrial enterprises forecasted to bring up to 1.2 trillion United States dollars by 2030 in the economic effect, making this as a resilient industry. It helps us to address goal number 9, to bring an affordable industrialization and United Nations Goal 12. Our core team expertise is more than 5+ years in Industry 4.0 space. We connected more than 20,000 machines in several hundred enterprises in 20 countries so far. By taking this experience and the lessons that we learned, we've created a new business model that CloEE offers to the market. This is the most affordable and easy-to-use product for the industrial manufacturing enterprises that will allow them to reduce energy consumption and improve the OEE. Basically, our know-how is 3 things. We have a robust cloud-based solution that allows to implement product at any industrial enterprise. It is powered by ready-made direct protocols that allows us to connect almost any kind of industrial machine to the software without using any additional hardware. And our best practices from the past experience are combined under the ready-made, easy-to-use dashboards and the reports that will help industrial enterprises on a daily basis to minimize energy consumption and decrease the downtimes. Currently, our focus is 4,000 industrial enterprises for the first year, with the ability to scale and approach to 1 million industrial enterprises in the major manufacturing hubs like European Union, North America, India, Asia Pacific countries. Our MVP product is on the market, and we conducting 10 pilots in Malaysia, India, France, Italy, and Canada so far. Our business plan makes sure to hit minimum mark of USD 35 million in the 3-4 years. And we currently self-funded and looking for the pre-seed round of 150,000 euro. But still, we are open for the discussion with the investors for the seed round, and we of course want to attract additional investors at this stage. So if you're interested in to learn more, please reach out to approach our team. We will tell you more information about the product, the capabilities, and what is our business plan.